Hi and welcome to Garfin's Creation. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do hollow marzipan Easter eggs and how to gift wrap mini hampers. So let's get started. I have put a link of this marzipan recipe in the description box below. I'll be using this plastic PVC mold to make the hollow Easter eggs today. To start with, I'll be kneading the marzipan soft and then be rolling it out. I'll be rolling it to 1/2 centimeter thickness. I'll need 2 shells for 1 Easter egg, so I have divided into 2 and now be placing it on the plastic mold. Press it firmly so that it sticks to the sides of the mold. And now I'll be removing off the excess with the help of a knife. I'll be covering the second shell as well in the same manner. Once this is done, I will let the marzipan dry in the mold till it becomes a little bit dry and hard. Say around 4 to 5 hours, it will get nice and firm. Now I've taken some white compound and I'll be melting it in the microwave. You can also melt it in a double boiler. I have used Morde Brand or white chocolate compound. The marzipan shells are nice and hard. And now I'll be giving a coating of melted chocolate. In this way, the shells will be nice and firm from inside and will not collapse. The chocolate coating will help the shell to retain its shape. You can also use a spoon and spread the chocolate evenly inside of the shell. I'll wait for a few seconds and then again spread the chocolate evenly. As you can see, the chocolate tends to settle in the center of the shell. Now I'll keep this in the fridge for just 5 minutes so the chocolate gets in a little bit set and a little hard. The chocolate is all set. Now we will demold it. Use a small knife and just loosen up the sides and it will come out easily. If the marzipan is dry enough, it comes out easily. Just try to loosen a bit from the sides and it will come out nicely. Those cracks I'll be covering with some decoration. So it's time for some decoration. I'm using gems to fill the hollow of the Easter egg. You can also use mini chocolate Easter eggs or mini marzipan Easter eggs. To join the two shells, I'm using some melted white chocolate. You can also use royal icing. I'll be sharing the recipe of the royal icing in the description box below. Just place it over the other shell, and if you see some gaps, we can use some chocolate and seal it up. I have already made a video on marzipan and royal icing, the links for which I'll be posting in the description box below. They are very easy to make and will help you to make these beautiful Easter eggs. I'm just wiping the extra chocolate, and now we'll be decorating it with royal icing. You can use either side of the egg, whichever you like. For the border, I'm using white royal icing. I'll be just doing a simple border around the edges. I will now let it dry a little bit before we do more decorations of royal icing on top of the egg. To pipe some leaves, I'll be cutting the tip of the piping bag in a V shape. You can also use a leaf nozzle if you have. I have filled all the piping bags with royal icing. So let's decorate now. For the leaves, it is just squeeze how big leaves you want and pull away. Just doing some simple decoration. You can decorate however you want. You can also use sugar beads. This is the same nozzle that I had used before. It is called the 5-star Noor nozzle number 13. Do check out the video I have put on Easter goodies, how to make bunnies, hats, chick in the basket. I also have a video how to make hollow chocolate Easter eggs. I also have a video on how to make Easter hampers at home. The links I'll be putting in the description box below. Do check it out. Our Easter eggs are decorated, and now I will let the royal icing harden a bit. Placing the Easter eggs in cupcake liners. These mini Easter eggs are of Marzipan and they are already included in the video showing how to make the hampers. The link I'll be putting in the description box below. So now let's decorate our mini hamper. These plastic containers are easily available with shops selling paper plates and party items. These are colored paper shreds. You can print these Easter tags from your local printing shop. Now I'll be placing the Easter eggs into the box. You can also place any surprise gift or small miniature toys for kids into it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also leave your comments as how you like this mini Easter hamper and the hollow Easter eggs. These containers are airtight. You have to just snap it rightly and the Easter eggs remain fresh for more than a week. These mini hampers are already looking good. You can keep them as they are, but I'm adding some washi tapes. These are simple paper tapes. I'll be just covering the four sides of the container with it. Our mini hampers are ready and I hope you all like this video. Do give a thumbs up and leave a comment as to what you liked most about these mini hampers. Thanks for watching. Until the next video. Bye bye.